Peace unto you, fellow traders. Abdul here, Prop Traders World. In this video, I want to continue on what I've shared before on a swing failure trading system, and let's take a quick look at the setup that we have taken earlier on the dollar yen, euro, and euro yen. So let's take a look at that. Dollar yen. Okay. So obviously it's not working at this point, and usually in a day trade, I won't put a stop there because you're in front of the computer to monitor the trade. So anyway, let it run that way, and let's take a look at euro yen. So it looks like it's moving in our favor. May take a while before this trade gonna reach its TP because this is on a daily chart. Okay, so next what I want to share with you is okay, let's talk about sometimes the swing failure just doesn't work, and I'm going to use this example, euro dollar, right? So, okay, all right, so in this case, for example, you see there's a swing high, make a swing low, make another swing high, and then make another swing low, right? And you break that swing low, the previous swing low, and then okay, so you place an order, right? So you place an order, or if you have a sell stop, it's already been triggered, right? Bam, it's got triggered there, and then unfortunately it didn't hit your first TP, and then it just go against us. Alright, so this kind of situation happen, and usually it happens at the end of a trend when market is about to change direction, and that's why we have this kind of situation, even though it break to the downside or to the upside. But because in this case market is at the end of a downtrend and it's turning up, so that's why we have that swing failure didn't work out. All right, it could happen in a sell situation as well. Let's try to see if we have anything of that kind. So this one is kind of developing to a nice setup. Yeah, let's do that, huh? So then you get a better idea about the swing failure. So in this case, that the swing low, that's a swing high. This is just a 15-minute put there, and that's gonna be 74.90 your entry point. Let's just do another one, so so that you can see how you can use the sell stop to get the trade up and running. 74.90, so you break to 0.7490, and your stop is going to be 75.20, 75.20, and in this instance maybe you're just gonna stick because it's a 15-minute, so you're just gonna take the 74.55, so you can place a sell stop there. So yeah, if you like, but that's just too near, so I'm not going to use the 161 take profit. So that's one example. Another example I want to share with you how you can use the stop order. So in this case, it's a sell stop. Okay, coming back to our situation earlier where the swing failure didn't work. All right, because the trend is changing. So in this instance, even though it's pushed to the downside, but then since market is changing, it fails. All right, so to overcome that problem, we can put another indicator to identify market overbought and oversold, and you can use any oscillator that you like. Just use any oscillator that you like, maybe a MACD, maybe a momentum, or RSI, whichever that you like. My favorite is Bill Williams Awesome Oscillator, and that's what I use. There is nothing to set because it's defaulted at 34 period. Okay, so in this instance, let's put another Awesome Oscillator there on the 4-hour chart, and another one there. Okay, So in this instance, why this one was not working, right? Okay, you will observe that, you know, even though it does break out to the downside there, right, and we have a sell there, but because the oscillator is above zero, is above zero, and it's not the best place, or it's not the best time to short. You know, always make sure there is a divergence, and that the oscillator is below zero. That's the best time to short, and the best time to long is when the oscillator is above zero. Yes, you can trade on a divergence, for example, like in this case here, right, on the daily chart, you can see that price is moving down from here to here, right, but you see that there is a divergence in the oscillator. So in that instance, for example, if you draw a line there, you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, so you see a divergence. So in this case, instant is a bullish divergence. So if you're trading divergence, you know that market is changing here, so it's not the best time to sell. Okay, so that is one indicator that we use to help us in avoiding the the failure. Okay, so that we have a better a higher probability of making the system work for us. That is one thing. Another indicator that you can use if you want to put moving average, Bollinger Band, but I personally work with an indicator, a proprietary indicator, a momentum that I want to share with you. There it is. Right, so this indicator, you're basically using the Bollinger Band, moving average, stop and reverse, and ADX to identify the market momentum. So basically, there it tells me what's the likelihood of the price, whether it's moving up or moving down. So that way, I'll have a better chance of, you know, not trying to short the market when I should be buying, you know, or not to long the market when I should be selling. See, that is the momentum to the upside, so it's best to buy. Alright, so that's basically my system. It is really that simple. Yes, it still have losses, but the profit outweigh the losses, and that's how we become profitable. Alright, so thank you for watching. You have a great day. Goodbye.